one day I found Clinic Dr Inder.
Yes.
It's very friendly, very no, I feel very, it's like my house here.
Yes.
And then I'm quite surprised because usually I saw Dr Inder in the YouTube, but today live with Dr Inder.
Yes, live with Dr. Inder. So I hope whatever you see in the YouTube and you see live is the same, huh?
It's not same actually.
Not the same, huh?
Yeah. Live is more beautiful.
Oh! Thank you. That is a beautiful compliment and a praise given by my patient. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you for this small video. Thank you for choosing Dr. Inder and Dr. Inder's team to do your procedure. Believe me, this is an investment that you have done for yourself, and after 1 year down the road, you'll be the happiest person because this will change your life. You will start having hair. He doesn't have a very good donor and his hair is, the caliber is very thin. So after this, there'll be a lot of treatment that I will advise him, because Clinic Dr. Inder has the latest treatment in regeneration. Clinic Dr. Inder has the latest treatment in regenerative treatment that has come out. We have launched all this after COVID, which we will be introducing to our patient how to maintain after hair restoration. So thumbs up to my patient, and then see you in our YouTube.